I have a Fisher Paykel dish drawer, and when I go to start it, it just makes a beeping sound but won't actually start. I have tried cleaning it but no change. No error message is showing.
Hello, what is the model number? Is this double dish or just single?
It is a single drawer but not sure where to find the model number. It has a silver front.
Okay, open the drawer up and look on the left under the drawer on the frame. It's on a white sticker. When you press start, you only get one beep.
Found the model, it is DS601V2 I. am getting more like a few beeps when I press the start button.
Okay, great. This means one of two things: that the control is locked. Press the lock button for 5 seconds. If that does not work, you have an out of alignment issue. The control is not sensing the door being shut. There is a glass Pyrex that sends the beam from the control to the glass and back to the control. If the Pyrex does not sense the door shut, the unit will beep a couple times.
Okay, but how do we fix the Pyrex problem? We tried the lock and it doesn't seem to be that.
You have to either replace the glass or adjust the unit so the drawer makes contact. You can try to lift up on the door and pull it to the side to see if you can get the unit to start. If you can get it to, then you will need to try to level the unit.
Okay, thanks. We tried to lift it etc. when closing, but that isn't making any difference. Where is the glass in the unit?
It's on the right hand side. You have to pull the drawer off the track, then pull the trim back and you will see it.
We noticed there is some rubber that has come out of the right-hand side. Do you think this would be affecting it?
Well, if it's not letting the drawer stop where it needs to, either too far in or not far enough, then yes.
It had only quite a thin Pacex, so not sure how much difference it will make. Do you think we will need to get a repair guy to come out to sort out the problem if it is either the balance or the glass? It seems like something tricky.
Well, unfortunately, this machine can be very tricky. I was hoping that it was just a lock issue, but from what you have stated, it sounds like the drawer is not lining up. I would recommend having a factory auth tech look at it. If you do, it will save time and headache. I see this question is still open. Do you have any more questions?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.